Hello everyone.
Hello, Teacher Pendo.
Welcome to Hot Numbers. Today we are going to be looking at scale drawing.
What? Scale drawing? Are we going to sketch a set of scales? But I thought this was a math lesson and not art.
Okay, Marara, if I asked you to draw a football pitch which measures 50 meters by 30 meters, would you be able to?
Teacher Pendo, we would need the world's largest book to draw a football pitch in it. And it would also take hours to draw, or even days. Is that what we are going to do?
No, Marara, that's an impossible task. That's why we use a scale drawing. Now, we can draw the football pitch in our books using a scale drawing, and that is what we are going to learn about today. Now, we are going to use a scale where 1 centimeter represents 10 meters. All right. Now, therefore, the scale drawing length of AB is 3 centimeters and its actual length is 30 meters, which we get by multiplying 3 times 10. Now, can anyone tell me what the scale drawing length of BD is? Yes, Eunice?
The scale drawing is 5 centimeters.
Well done. Now, what about the actual length?
The actual length would be 50 meters, Teacher Pendo.
Okay, very good. Now, if we have a rectangular room drawn to scale, 1 centimeter represents 5 meters, measuring 6 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters. What is the actual length of the room? Yes, Viroko?
The actual length is 30 meters.
That is a good answer. And what about the width? Yes, Aluga?
The width is 22.5 meters.
Okay, that is correct. Marara, this next one is yours, so you better be ready. Now, if we use a scale where 1 centimeter represents 15 meters, what is the scale drawing length when the actual length is 60 meters?
Now, this is a tricky one. So this time it's division and not multiplication. So 60 divided by 15 is 4. Oh, so the scale drawing is 4 centimeters.
That is correct. And as you correctly said, we were dividing to get the scale drawing and not multiplying. Now, we will now measure the length of our table, and I will need your assistance in this. So here you are, Biroko. So let us see what the length of this table is. Go right ahead. Let's measure. So how long is the table?
1.5 meters.
Very good. So the actual length of this table is 1.5 meters. Now we will use 15 centimeters as our drawing length. So what scale have we used and how do we calculate this? Yes, Eunice?
We will change the 1.5 meter to centimeters to give us 150 centimeters and divide it by 15, which will give us 10 centimeters.
That's correct. Well done. Now, we cannot just write 10 centimeters. We have to write the scale used in statement form, which is 1 centimeter represents 10 centimeters. Now, if we use a scale of 15 centimeters, can everyone tell me how we write this statement?
1
centimeter
represents 15 centimeters.
Good. I see you are getting it. We are now going to make our own scale drawing. But before we start, I'd like to mention something very important. For example, if I choose a scale where 1 centimeter represents 5 meters and the real length is 250 meters, it's not a good scale, as a drawing length, which is 50 centimeters, cannot possibly fit in our books. So a good scale would be 1 centimeter represents 50 meters. Now get your pencils and your worksheets, and you at home can also join us. Now the room I'd like to draw measures 14 meters by 10 meters. I'd like you to draw it using the scale 1 centimeter represents 2 meters. Now, if you would like more information about scale drawings, why don't you join the KnowZone Club? Just ask your parents to help you send a text to 5606 with your name and address, and we'll send you your own KnowZone comic. So how are we getting on?
Oh, Teacher Pendo, I'm done.
Okay. Has everyone finished?
Yes, Teacher Pendo.
Excellent. So what is the scale length of our drawing? Yes, Viroko?
7 centimeters.
Very good. And what about the scale width? Yes, Aluga?
5 centimeters.
Well done. Now note that on scale drawings, we write down the real measurements. For example, on the drawings we have just drawn, we will write 14 meters on the length and not 7 centimeters. And it's just equally important to include what scale we've used. Now, if you look at the board, this is what your drawing should look like. So well done, all of you. Good job. I think we've all gotten the hang of scale drawings.
Oh, now Teacher Pendo,
Yes, Marar.
who uses scale drawings?
Well, everyone can use scale drawings, from architects to engineers to gardeners. Even you could use scale drawings to reorganize your bedroom.
Oh, well, Teacher Pendo, the last time I reorganized my room, nothing would fit.
Well, I'm sure scale drawing would help. Now, unfortunately, we've reached the end of Hot Numbers, but I hope to see you next time.